Every building in New York City is required to have a properly registered, correctly installed, and regularly tested backflow preventer. But installing and testing backflow devices with the DEP takes multiple steps, involves specialized expertise at every stage, and extensive paperwork that can take months to get approved. Any filing mistake or missing document can result in violations and hefty penalties. The rules are complex, so you have to know exactly how to play the game. First, a licensed engineer needs to design your backflow plan and submit Form GEN 236 with the DEP. After approval, a plumber has to file permits with the building department and a break seal meter permit with the DEP. Then a qualified master licensed plumber has to actually install the device exactly as per the engineering specs.
Then a certified backflow tester tests the device and signs Form GEN 215B, which also needs to be signed by the original plumber and the original engineer and then returned to the DEP.
And the plumber must not forget to close out his permits at the DOB.
At any stage of the game, incorrect or late filings can result in violations and penalties, often requiring you to go back to the beginning and start all over again, even though you have already spent many thousands of dollars. And if you fail to annually test your previously installed device, you face unlimited liability. With over 20 years' experience in backflow installation, testing, and repair, Ashokan has the expertise to help you manage the DEP's backflow requirements, effectively avoiding violations, severe penalties, and liability. We work closely with your staff to avoid tenant disruptions and know how to submit timely paperwork and filings. Our professional, well-trained personnel can help you resolve issues that arise. Plus, our technicians are certified to test and repair any backflow model. So, avoid those backflow nightmares. Choose an organization that knows the DEP rules backwards and forwards. Ashokan, forward thinking in backflow management.